Three balls are being drawn, and the question is whether the probability of getting all three red is greater than the probability of getting one or more blue balls. See, in simple words, it is like saying that whether the probability of all three red is greater than 50%. Because when all three are not red, automatically one or more becomes blue. So in simple words, the question is asking whether this probability is greater than 50%. So that makes the question a lot simpler to look at. Now let's look at statement 1. The number of red balls is more than 3 times. So of course getting a yes is going to be easy. If we have 100 red balls and only 1 blue balls, of course you need not even calculate. You know that this probability is going to be much more than 50%. So getting a yes is of course easy. And our approach in these questions is always to try to get a yes as well as no and prove a statement insufficient. When we are not able to prove a statement, insufficient is where it becomes sufficient. So we have got a yes. Let's try to get a no. So we'll get a no for the minimum possible ratio. We know that the number of red balls is more than thrice. So the least we can take is 4 red balls. 4 red balls and 1 blue balls. What is the probability of all 3 being red? 4C3 upon total is 5. So this is 5C3. 4C3 is 4. 5C3 is 10. So see, this is only 40% probability. And for this condition to satisfy, the probability should be more than 50%. So see, we have got a case of no as well. We got a yes, we got a no. So statement 1 is not sufficient. Less than 1/4 of the balls in the jar are blue. So see, this condition, this case that we took is satisfying this statement also. 1 out of 5 is the number of blue balls, which is less than 1/4. So the same example would work, that for this case we are getting a yes, and for this case we are getting a no. So statement 2 is of course not sufficient. Combining is not going to help because the same pair of examples are able to get us a yes as well as no for each of the 2 statements. So when combining doesn't help, E is the correct answer choice. It's a very good question. There's a lot to be learned from this one.